Standard 4th, Subject English, Lesson In the Park. Story Part 1. Hello, students. How are you? Hello, teacher. We all are fine. When people get bored, they do something. Tell me the different things you do when you feel bored. I watch cartoon on TV. I listen music. I go to the garden. Today, we are going to learn a comic story. Which story, ma'am? In the park. Here, Ishan goes with his 8 friends to play in the park. There is some confusion while returning. What exactly happens? Let's see. Come on, little friends, it's time to go back home. Come here and let me count. There should be 9 children in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Where's the 9th child? Let me see again. Isha, Nisha. Bubbly, Pupply. Ricky, Vicky. Gotu, Chotu. Then who's missing? Oh, I'm so worried. Auntie, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9. You're 9 in all. While going home again, Ishan starts counting his friends. He counts like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then he makes pairs of his friends. But still he finds only 8 friends. He gets confused. Actually, there should be 9, but only 8 are there. He thinks that someone is missing. Then he takes help of one lady for counting. Auntie starts counting and she says there are 9. Then Ishan thinks that when he was counting, only 8 children were there. And when Auntie starts counting, 9 children are there. It means one naughty child has come back.